Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a presentation in Canva step by step. Whether you're making a presentation for school, work, business, or a personal project, Canva provides professional templates and easy editing tools to help you create great-looking slides in just a few minutes. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. From the home page, click Create a Design and choose Presentation. You can also search for presentation in the search bar if you don't see it right away. Once the presentation editor opens, you'll have two choices. You can start with a blank presentation or choose one of Canva's professionally designed templates. For this tutorial, I'll select a template because it's the fastest way to create a polished presentation. Now, click on the title and replace the sample text with your own. You can also edit the subtitle, change the font style, adjust the font size, and select different colors using the toolbar at the top. To add another slide, click the plus Add Page button at the bottom of the presentation. Each new slide can have a different layout and content depending on your needs. Next, open the text section to add headings or paragraphs. Then go to Elements if you'd like to insert icons, shapes, charts, or illustrations that make your presentation more engaging. If you want to include your own images, use the Upload section or browse Canva's built-in library through the Photos tab. Continue customizing each slide until your presentation is complete. Arrange your text, images, and graphics neatly so your slides are clear and easy to understand. When everything is ready, click the Present button to preview your presentation in full screen mode. This lets you check each slide before sharing it with others. Finally, click Share, then Download. You can save your presentation as a PDF for printing or choose Microsoft PowerPoint, PPTX, if you want to use it in PowerPoint. Select the format you need and click Download, and that's it. You've successfully created a presentation in Canva. It's an easy and powerful way to design professional presentations without any advanced design skills. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.